College can be an exciting time in your life, but with added responsibility and academic demands, it can also be quite challenging. To help you excel academically and make the most of your college experience, we've compiled a list of proven strategies for effective studying. In this video, we'll share practical tips and techniques that have been tried and tested by successful college students. With these tips, you'll be able to maximize your study time and increase your chance of acing your exams. Here are the strategies we'll be covering. Actively engage with the material. Studying is not the same as reading. Don't just passively read your textbooks or class notes. Actively engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing key concepts in your own words, creating flashcards, or drawing diagrams. Engaging with the material in multiple ways will help you understand it better and remember it longer. Practice active recall. When it comes to studying, recall is key. You don't just want to recognize the correct answer on an exam. You want to be able to actively recall it from memory. To achieve this, practice active recall by quizzing yourself or creating practice tests. This technique will help you learn the material better and retain it longer. Take thorough notes. When attending lectures or studying from textbooks, make sure to take thorough notes. Don't just copy what's on the screen or in the book. Instead, write down the main ideas in your own words and include examples given by the professor. Review your notes within 24 hours to add any missing details and ensure clarity for future reference. Eliminate distractions. Distractions such as phone calls, social media, or other people can interfere with your ability to concentrate. To eliminate distractions, set clear boundaries for your study time and create a conducive environment. Find a quiet place to study, or consider using noise-canceling headphones to block out background noise. Take frequent breaks. Research shows that concentration, comprehension, and memory decrease after 45 minutes of continuous studying. To study more effectively, take a 15-minute break every 45 minutes to stretch your muscles, rest your eyes, and give your mind a break. Use this time to hydrate, snack on brain-boosting foods, or take a quick walk to refresh your mind. Join a study group. Joining a study group can help you stay motivated and learn from your peers. It's also a great way to hold yourself accountable and avoid procrastination. You can collaborate on study notes, share tips and tricks, and discuss challenging concepts together. By incorporating these proven strategies into your college studying routine, you'll be well on your way to academic success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.